Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a really special car here for you today. This is one of those that's extremely rare, extremely well restored. It's been verified and documented by Mopar experts. It's genuine number match, original build sheet, fender tag, loaded up with factory options. The way it sits is the way it was born. This is one of those cars that trades between collectors. This is a car that doesn't typically make it to market. This is not your typical auction car or cars that go through dealerships. This is an opportunity to buy an actual thoroughbred investment type car that is downright gorgeous on top of it. So anyway, you can go to volocars.com and read all the specs, study all the pictures. That's where you find the pricing on all of the vehicles we offer for sale. If you enjoy watching the videos, why don't you sign up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, that way you're notified when we post a new video. But right now, tops down on this 4-speed RT convertible. Let's go for a spin. I don't have the exact numbers, but I think they made like 294 convertibles, period, in the 70 Coronet RT. They made 25 of those with a 4-speed. This is a genuine number match 4-speed car. You start breaking it down, like 2 of them were Hemis, 1 of them is destroyed and gone. The other one, guy wants $1.5 million for it. This is a 440 4-speed with the N96 air grabber and a whole list of other options too. This thing is really rare and desirable. It's not just rare, it's ultra desirable as well. So 385 miles on a rotisserie restoration. Underneath, the car is as nice as the top. The floors and the metal are beautiful. The frame rails, the ribs in the floor pans, the seams, everything is really nice. All painted yellow. Top banana yellow. That's the original color to this car. Every component, the suspension, the steering, not just the bushings, but the actual bars and A-arms, all that stuff is pristine. Right down to the last, clamps and clips and nuts and bolts, everything under this car has been redone. So like I said, the front steering and suspension's rebuilt and detailed. The rear suspension's all rebuilt. The dual exhaust system looks like new. The fuel system was all replaced. Brakes were all restored, has disc in front. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. You can see the casting codes and casting dates, they're all proper. The VIN number is right above the oil pan, and that matches this car. It's an 833 4-speed transmission. The VIN number matches this car. Both of those numbers have been looked at and verified by Mopar experts. Galen Govier has decoded this car and says it's legitimate. So then you got the rear end. 4-speed cars came with a Dana 60, which this has. It has 354 sure grip gears. Just a nice combination. The 4-speed with those gears, you got a hot rod, but yet still a cruiser. The body is amazing. It's been the same owner the last 25 years. This was not restored yesterday, and the paint and body is incredible. It's all smooth everywhere. I did not see a problem spot. I didn't see any blistering, cracking, shrinking, nothing funny. It's all smooth gloss, top banana yellow. No issues with the scoop. The emblem looks like brand new. All this trim all the way around is polished like new. The chrome is redone on the mirror, the handles, vent window frames, the rubber gasket, new glass. All the stainless is polished, new windshield. You have functional scoops in this chrome, the emblems, hood pins, fender mounted turn signals. Usually people just leave those. They're tiny, who cares? But the chrome looks brand new. Bumpers are rechromed, the rubber gasket behind it's new, the grills are restored, and everything fits really nice too. The car is absolutely straight, the gaps are spot on. Honestly, I'm sure it's better than it was when it left the factory. They didn't have a glass finish like this. Correct antenna, looks like it's been rechromed. Convertible top is black, it's a power top, it has the correct Mopar grain material, it's in excellent shape. Key buzzer works. Doors shut like a new car. The jambs are real slick. Weather strips replaced. Sill plates are new. This whole tail panel's restored. Rear bumper's rechromed. It has, I call it the bumblebee stripe. That's the way it came. 15-inch Rallye wheels look like new. BFGoodrich tires are excellent. The interior, I just sat in it for the first time about an hour ago. Immaculate. First of all, new cushions in the seats. You can tell by looking at it. They're nice and plump. There's not a wrinkle. They fit like new. When you sit in the seat, you feel like you're in a new car. This has the 6-way adjustable bucket seat. That's a rare option. In between these bucket seats is a restored center console. The interior lights are working. The Hearst shift handle's rechromed, and it has the good old pistol grip handle on top of it. Got a lot more to tell you about in there. So it's a 440 Magnum, 375 horse. The N96, I think they call it fresh air package, so the air comes in them scoops and is forced right into the motor. The whole system is complete, it's restored. It's a concourse quality engine compartment. Looks like the hose clamps aren't originals, but all the components, valve covers, manifolds are excellent. The shroud, the squirters are hooked up, the battery's bolted down. And it has power steering and brakes too, disc brakes up front. You know, it's got a lot of nice options. A lot of times Mopars, they were just manual this, manual that. This thing pretty loaded up. Door panels, armrest. All the trim inside is all painted. The top boot looks like new and fits real nice. So the trunk compartment is all clean, solid metal. It's painted yellow. The mat was replaced. The well liner was replaced. And I need to get glasses. So trunk light works, the mat, the weather strip, and well liner were replaced. The rim looks like it's powder coated or painted, but there is no tire on it. It does have the complete jack assembly that has not yet been restored. He probably located that later. But the wiring, latches, tail light housings, everything's really nice in here. Getting back to the interior, the steering wheel is either new or restored. The whole dash area was professionally restored. All the little chrome bezels are sparkling, the gauges are mint, the lenses are clear, the knobs are shiny, and it all fits. All the wood grain is nice. It's not even peeling up in the corners. It has the original AM radio. Does have the Rallye gauges, so it has the tachometer. The lower dash pads all line up nice, fit nice, look like new. The dash pad's new. Glove box liner's new. Visors, mirror, pillars, everything in here is just mint. It has a complete set of original seat belts. They're all in excellent shape, front and back. The little lights back here are working. This is a high quality restoration. And again, it's got it all. The yellow with the white, with the 4-speed and the air grabber, and it's rare and it's certified. The gentleman that located this car for me is a big time collector. He has dealt with $1 million Mopars. You know, he assured me how true the car is. I buy a car from him without even going to look at it. And also Galen Govier has decoded this car. I have that paperwork. That's on our website, the build sheet, fender tag, Galen's decoding of the car. We have pictures of the numbers. It's all on our site. I notice the clock is working. So why don't we fire it up? It's got 384 miles on it right now. That's since restoration. It's got a lever under here that says carb air. You can open or close the ram air. Sounds just like it's supposed to. No more, no less. Revs up real nice. Idles nice. 25 4-speed convertibles. And only about, it's like 280 or 290 RT convertibles were made all together. And this is the type of car that usually trades hands privately. There's an opportunity to get a very significant car. Even if you're not a big-time collector with 20 cars, even if this is going to be your only car, it's the right car. Key buzzer works. I almost wish it didn't. But anyway, that's my impression of this gorgeous RT convertible. You can go to volocars.com, and plenty of ways to contact the salesman. If you have specific questions or concerns, they will help you with that. They can get this delivered anywhere. They can help with financing. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, why don't you just subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.